Hello there, math fans. I'm Dr. Andy Lovelace, longtime instructor from the University of Washington. I've taught here 20 years. I've taught about 22,000 students, and I'm excited to be teaching a summer class, which I haven't done for a long time. In this summer class, we're going to talk about the following. We're going to talk about when you look around the room you're in, you probably see a few planes and they intersect to form lines. We're going to talk about how to walk along those lines. And then we're going to talk about when we have an object moving around in 3D. How can we describe it? How can we think how it's moving? In particular, what if I throw a ball in the air? Here's an example of me throwing a ball. There's gravity, there's wind to the side. Oh no, look at all those scary vectors. It's not scary. I'm going to show you why, even if it's messy to compute a few of those things, they're extremely valuable in us thinking about the world we live in. We'll then switch to talking about surfaces in 3D. How do we find the bumps? How do we find the low points? And we'll find these. In every single class, I will have a 3D visual. During the pandemic, I only taught this course, and I made all these 3D videos talking about how to mow the lawn. How do you walk along every point? How do you measure things happening above a region? And then we'll finish the term by talking about these things which are not 3D, but are still visually stunning. How do we approximate something like the sine graph with lines and then cubics and then fifth powers and seventh powers and ninth powers? Many students, that topic, they find it to be, they're like, why would anyone ever do this? I have a lot of cool examples. My real goal, if you haven't guessed yet, this is Calculus 3. But I've taught it so many times, and I'm really excited to bring these visuals to you. As I said, I'm going to have a visual for almost every single lecture. I'm going to have a discussion board where you can ask me any question you want, and I hope it leads to more visuals. My real goal is to bring more joy to this course and show you the things I've made. So come along and join me, Stitch in the back there. I think that's Conan O'Brien, Kelsey Plum, as we try to learn and work together and get you through this course in a fun and engaging way. And I just would love for you to have you join me. To learn more, please check out my website. I have a lot of information about when the exam dates are, what the structure is. It's still going to be a challenging course, but we're going to bring it to life. Come join me.